2012, Mark and his wife turned his passion for wood turning into a business. Mark makes wonderful works of art out of wood from across the US and the world. Mark makes pens, crochet hooks that come as a set of 9 hooks with interchangeable handles, 2 styles of seam rippers, ice cream scoops, wine stoppers, bottle openers, vegetable peelers, melon ballers, some more beautiful ice cream scoops, razors that come as a set with a stand and use big blades, beautiful pens in cases, we have some more beautiful pens here. We also have these awesome wine stoppers that actually have the corkscrew in them. Here's another look at our crochet hooks. And we have this awesome dragon pen. Visit us at the Crafty Toolbox, 930 Old County Road, Meriden, Connecticut. Come on down and find that unique gift.